How to download your Gemini account statement. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Once you are on the home screen, look at the bottom menu bar and tap on the activity account located at the bottom right corner. In the activity section, you will see your transaction history. To download the full account statement, look for the export or download statement option, usually at the top right or within the settings options menu of the activity tab. Tap on it, then choose the date range you want, such as last 7 days, 30 days, monthly, or a custom range. Next, select the file format you prefer, typically CSV or PDF, depending on how you plan to use the statement. After that, tap Download or Generate Statement and Gemini will prepare your file. Now you know how to download your Gemini account statement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.